Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen. If you are new, welcome. I got 3 packages in the mail today. I think the 2 on my left hand are from BzzAgent, and then this one is from PinchMe, so I thought I'd unbox them for you guys. I'm supposed to be getting more from BzzAgent, by the way, so that'll probably be up right after this video. So let's open everything up together. First, we're going to start off with this PinchMe box. When I saw this in the mailbox outside, I had no idea what it was, and I was so confused because normally it says PinchMe and it's normally like a bright pink or like a bright blue, but they're advertising some solitaire game. So PinchMe is mostly always samples. So this is everything that was in the box. So the first thing that fell out is a wine voucher. We always get wine vouchers. Then this is a suppository. I didn't want this, and PinchMe forced me to take it. Then we got a coupon for some avocado toast crackers, I guess these are. My mom would probably really like these because she likes avocado. I do not like avocado, but these are made from real avocado. They're vegan, no artificial flavors, and you can find these at Walmart. Next up is just to play the game that they're advertising. Then a HelloFresh gift card, and then the last thing in here is a coupon and this little sample of a Boston. I guess it's like a cookie with like chocolate on top. I don't know, but this is like $1 off coupon. I've never seen this brand in the store before. So that is it for PinchMe, and now on to the more exciting packages, which is BzzAgent. BzzAgent always has the best. So this is the first one I'm opening, and it is it's an elf putty. Oh, it's the elf putty primer. I thought I was getting a blush. What the heck? Well, this is their new vitamin C putty primer. I'm assuming I need the brush. So I know my CVS actually had a lot of the brushes the other day, so I will go sometime soon to pick up the brush for this. I swear to God, it was like, oh, you're getting a blush in the shade Maui, and I was so excited. But I'm excited for the primer too, because this is their vitamin C bright primer with 2% vitamin C. So it's a brightening primer. That's what vitamin C does. So I'm excited. This last thing is wrapped up, and this is from BzzAgent because I can see the little BzzAgent thing. I think it's a perfume. This is what happens. I get so many BzzAgent like surveys, and then I just get so many emails at one time, and they're like, you're in this campaign, you're in this, you're in this, you're in this. So I get confused. Oh my God, it's a full-size perfume. I got a perfume not too long ago. It's the Giorgio Armani My Way, and this is the Giorgio Armani, oh God, see, I'm gonna say something about passion. I'll have the name on the screen. But this is a full-size perfume. I want to open it up now because I love perfume bottles, and I hope this smells good. I hated the way the Giorgio Armani My Way smelled at first, but I've been wearing it, and now I really like it. So let's open up this bottle. Oh, this is Jesus. This is a big bottle. It's nice. All right. I'm not wearing any perfume, so let's spray. It's okay. I like it. It's nice. Just let me douse myself in it. It has a nice little vanilla type of scent, I think. I think I saw vanilla in the picture. I could be dreaming though. It's nice. I like it. I'm just shocked I got a full bottle. This is a full 1.7 ounce bottle. Wasn't prepared to be getting a full bottle of perfume. Thought I was getting a sample. So that is everything that I got. BzzAgent definitely surprised me because I thought I was getting a blush, but I got a primer, and I have to go get the brush, which is totally fine because it's e.l.f. So it's like super cheap. And I didn't think I was getting a full-size perfume, and I really am liking the perfume now. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's very light. It's not too like heavy. I like that. Really do like that. Pinch Me was kind of like a bust, but BzzAgent definitely redeemed themselves. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys want more unboxings like this, because like I said, I'm getting more products from BzzAgent probably within the next week, and I'm getting a package from ColourPop, so I'll definitely haul that for you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll be doing product reviews on everything. If you want product reviews on here, please let me know because I'll gladly do both. And yeah, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and let me know you want to see on my channel. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.